Hi everybody, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. All the products that I use today you can purchase from Stampin' Up through me at the address at the top of the screen, and it's also linked below. My project today is a little tent box, and it measures 3 by 1.5 by 2.5. Alrighty, and it opens like this, and the sentiment's inside, and there are 2 Ferraro Rochers inside. Alrighty, I used Nuts and Bolts stamp set for this, along with the Sweethearts dies for the hearts, and some Sweet Talk Designer Series paper. Now, to get the Ferraro Rocher, this is why I like to go to Target and Walmart. This has 18 in it. They have one with 8 in it that's $5. And then at Walmart, they have this one that has 16 and it's $5. The same exact thing at Target is $10. So I don't know. I went back twice because I wanted to get more for our project. And they were still $5 at Walmart. So I don't know if it was a mistake, but they're still there. But you get double the amount for the same price as the small ones. So if you're looking. Okay, and what we need for this project is 1 piece of Bermuda Bay, that cardstock that is 9.5 by 6.5, a piece of basic white for stamping. We need 5 of these little red hearts from the Sweethearts dies. And what I did was I used this die that cuts this out, and it cuts out more than enough of the little hearts. So that's what I used for that. We need 4 pieces of the Sweet Talk DSP, 2 in this pattern, and they're all 2 3/4 by 2 1/4, but I have 2 in the striped pattern and 2 in the dotted pattern. Alrighty, and then for the sentiment that's inside, we need 1 piece of real red that is 2 1/4 by 1 1/4, and basic white for stamping the sentiment on that is 2 by 1. Okay, so now I'm going to get my Simply Scored, and we're going to start on the 9.5 inch side, and we're going to score at 3, 4.5, 7.5, and 9. And then on the 6.5 inch side, we're going to score at 1.5 and 4. And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to fold and burn. And I would like to welcome my new team member, Tara. She found me on YouTube. And I'm so happy to have a team member. If you join now, during Celebration, you get the $125 worth of products that you pick for $99, but during Celebration you get 2 extra free stamp sets, which is a good deal. Okay. So now, this is what we're going to do. Okay, the skinniest rectangle is on the right-hand side. And we're going to get rid of everything up here, this little one, and then we're going to wedge these 2 tabs. Okay, so we're going to start on the bottom left, and we have this rectangle. Just cut the side of the rectangle straight, skip the square, and cut the other side of that rectangle straight to the, this is all to the first score line, and then wedge both sides of the square. Okay. There we go. All right. Go to the other side of this rectangle, cut it straight. Go to the other side of this square, and what we're going to do is cut off this rectangle and then wedge up a little bit into the piece above it. And then we're going to wedge both sides of this square. Okay, so that's the bottom. We're going to turn it 360. And what we're going to do here is we're going to cut off this piece of the skinny rectangle up to the first score line, and then wedge a little bit above it. Okay, and then we're going to turn it to the long way. Okay, what's left of the skinny rectangle is towards you. And we're going to get rid of 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So just cut it. 1, just keep cutting it straight. 2, and up to the 3rd score line. And then stop. And then we're just going to take off everything. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. And this is what your cardstock should look like after you're done scoring it and cutting it. Okay, now I'm going to get my tear and tape. I'm going to put it on what's left of the skinny rectangle close to the score line. Alrighty. I'm going to get my take your pick tool. I'm going to take the backing off. I'm going to flip the whole thing over, flip the side with the tape, and then the other side to meet it. Okay. Alrighty. So now, let's put it like this. Our seam is right here, okay? Put the sides in and the back, and now we're going to put tear and tape on this, which is the front flap. And this one goes close to the edge. Take the backing off. Just make sure your box is nice and squared up. And put it together. And then I'm just going to make sure that it really goes on by pushing inside. Alrighty. Okay, so now we need 2 of our Ferraro Rocher. Oops. There we go. And we're going to push with our finger and then squeeze with the other fingers just to the top, okay? And then the sides will go however they want, all right? You could help them a little bit, but they'll basically go where they want. But the rochers fit in here just perfectly. Okay? Alrighty, and that's our box. So now we need our DSP. And before we put the front DSP on, which one is our front? This one's going to be our front here. What I want you to do is we're just going to put this little shadow underneath. Alright, and that is this piece right here on this nuts and bolts and some Tuxedo Black Ink. Just put it right at the bottom at the middle. Okay. Alright, and now we're just going to put this on the front with liquid glue. Now this paper says that it is Pool Party, but I think this strip right here looks like Bermuda Bay to me, and that's why I did it. And it's kind of a less feminine color for Valentine's Day, I guess. A little bit more for boys, I guess. Doesn't matter really. But I wanted something other than red and pink. And I do like red with aqua. It looks really pretty. Alright, and now the other piece, and these are all 2 3/4 by 2 1/4. And this one goes on the back. Now the inside pieces, they're the same. So we're just going to put one up here and one down there. Okay, and now while that dries, I want to do some stamping. So we need our piece of basic white that is 2 by 1. And we're going to be using the sentiment, I'm nuts and bolts about you. And I'm just going to push and twist once or twice. I'm just going to make sure I didn't rock it. And put it right on there. I did rock it a little bit. I'm bad at that, so I did one already. You could always use the other side too. Or you can do it and then cut it out after. Okay, and then we're going to glue this to the piece of real red that is 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. Okay, I'll let that dry. Okay, and then we're gonna stamp our robot. I love these. These you could also, it has one that says HB2U, so you could use these for birthdays also. Great. Okay, now I'm going to use light and dark Bermuda Bay and dark Real Red. Okay, I'm going to take the dark Bermuda Bay and I'm going to go on the neck, inside the mouth, and the legs. And then all the rest I'm going to do with light Bermuda Bay. Okay, and then I'm going to color in the bolt flower with Real Red. Okay, and then I have to fussy cut this out, but I already did that, so you don't have to watch me. All right, okay, now back to this. All right, first we're gonna glue our sentiment inside the flap. And I'm just gonna center it in there. Okay. Then we need 3 of the hearts. And I'm just going to put 3 dots up here. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Just want to give this a minute to dry before I close it. Alright, now I'm going to take some of my adhesive backed Velcro and I'm going to put the clearer one on the top. Just going to put it right there. And one on the other side, right over here. Okay, and then I'm just going to flip the other one with the adhesive facing me and put it on top. Okay, now make sure that your box is closed evenly. And then just push it on gently. And then I'm just gonna gently pull it up and then reinforce both sides. Okay. Alrighty. Now, let's get some dimensionals to put our robot on. And I'm probably gonna need a mini. I could squeeze a full one. Yeah, I can squeeze a full one there. Maybe a piece of one in here. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to just put it right above the shadow line. Alright, so now let's take our sheer pool party ribbon. I'm going to open the flap and put this inside. And close it in there. And then I'm going to try to pull it over to the left side and tie a bow on the top left. Okay. And then we're going to take the other 2 hearts, and I'm just going to put one, say, over here, and one down here. Alrighty, and then for the final touch, I'm going to take one of these wonderful gems, one of the small ones. I'm going to put it right in the middle of the nut, or the bolt. No, that's a nut. Okay. Alrighty, and that's it. If you have any questions, my email address is below. All of the measurements and other details will be on my blog, which is listed below. The link to my shop is down there, and the list of all the supplies too. And to join, if you'd like to join during celebration for the extra 2 stamp sets, that link is below also. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.